And we're back with more Resident Evil 5. Let's ready up quick. And if you remember in the last time, went on a airboat trip, fought an ogre, and got attacked by natives.
Don't forget the crocodiles.
Oh yeah, and crocodiles.
Oh, the execution
Execution
ground.
ground?
That doesn't sound appealing. Also, did you
No,
see
it
what I
doesn't.
posted on your video? I found out what they're called. They're called
Yeah.
something.
Nishi, something, I don't know.
That's where I got that information from the wiki.
Yeah. What is that? Rifle ammo.
Rifle ammo.
Uh-oh. Hey, there's a pot there.
Oh, a BSAA soldier.
Oh, yeah. Oh!
Well, now we know why they're called the execution ground.
Yep. That's the time.
Are you behind me?
I'm gonna shoot these guys from up here.
Okay, go ahead.
That was one jumping across to you. Oh, in the water!
Shame that the crocodile doesn't feed on them.
More incoming.
Yeah, I see him.
Seemed to do a good bit of damage. Did you just kill him in one hit?
I have no clue. Ow! Oh shit!
Oh, shit! Turn to a bat.
Those also have a name, I just don't know what they're called.
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay, hang on. Alright, pal, let's go.
I think they're trying to blow us up.
What the hell?
Oh, that's rifle ammo. I don't need that.
Oh,
Ow.
shit, above. Is he up there in that tower?
Oh, they're also all over the place, so...
Ah, man. That guy died in one hit from my pistol. I think I upgraded the firepower a bit much.
Oh my god, I just saw that!
What?
The guy jumped into the water and the crocodile ate him.
Oh! Sunrod's doing pretty well. Heal us.
Alright, hang on,
Yeah, you have more healing items. There we go.
Yeah,
Nice and
I
to both of us.
Yep, good thing. Yeah, there's a crocodile down below.
Oh, it's just gonna run.
The bridge.
Alright. Let's go get him.
Oh shit!
They're behind us? Or... Oh shit, incoming.
Yeah, they're behind. There's one. There's two behind us.
Throat slit! No, I don't want to freaking... Fucker.
No, I don't want to climb. I want.
He's like one-hit melee kill, though. The problem with the stun rod is, so get this. You have to, it's like the knife, where you gotta enter a stance and then attack, right?
Yeah.
But the problem is the button to enter the stance is different.
Hmm.
It's not the same, but it's not just like an add-on to your knife, it's a whole new tool with different controls.
Alright, I think I know what we gotta do. Do you see where the winch is at?
Yeah.
A winch somewhere.
I'm right here. I'm right next to it.
I mean, I could do that first because I'm also lagging like balls, so... Okay, so here's what's gonna happen. I'll do the winch, you gotta go down there and you gotta dodge the crocodile with RLB and... Not LBRB, LTRT, and then the last one should be AB. Got that?
Dodge crocodile.
Yeah.
IT, LT, AB.
Yeah. It'll be
Alright,
LT, LT, something, Alright. Are you at the boat?
Yeah.
Alright. Ready?
Uh-oh.
Here it comes.
Oh, yeah.
Yep. It'll be almost. We're almost there. Ugh. Jeez, that thing's bigger than a crocodile I've seen.
Hurry up.
I'm hurrying as fast as I can.
Oh.
Almost there.
There we go. There we go.
Alright, that door that you see right there, you should be able to unbar that. And get up
Yeah.
with me.
Bar kind of sounded like it was... The bar kind of sounded like it was made of metal, but...
It could have been.
Maybe. Yeah. Go.
Alright, we're almost
Yeah,
there.
It's gonna be in here.
Yep, checkpoint. Watch it, there's snakes here, I think.
Snakes?
Yeah.
Trisel. They helped fund the BSAA. What the hell are they doing here?
Check the
So
tents.
get into the oil fields. Thank God.
Type P, Plaga tests.
Type 3 Plagas test. Control types are limited in number. Lost Plagas affinity for humans. Adherence rate 92%. Okay. What is that? Oh. Some kind of antiseptic.
I found a first aid spray.
Nice. Okay, good. Where are you?
Oh shit, snakes.
Uh oh, yeah. Oh, yep, there's a snake. That. Jewel beetle.
I found some handgun ammo.
Nice, okay. What's up? Don't
Oh,
see
fuck
anything
me, I know
else.
this part.
Looks like we've arrived
Uh-oh.
at the oil field.
Yeah, and Irving's not getting away this time.
Okay, so you ready for some chainsaw, guys?
Wait, stop it! Don't! Look.
Yeah, I kind of figured.
There we
Ruby.
go.
So again, you ready for some chainsaw, guys?
Ah, no.
Yeah, I kind of peeked ahead at what we were going to be engaging.
Uh-oh.
There's Irving.
I mean, my pistol does a good bit of damage.
Yeah, so is my shotgun. Watch it.
Who's that? Rifle ammo, I'll take that. And gold. I found crossbows.
Ow!
I don't know what this does.
I've lost you, dude. I don't know where you went.
I'm up here. There we go.
Oh, look out!
Ah!
Nice one.
Kill.
Shotgun ammo. And a hand grenade. That'll come in handy.
Yep, okay. Take the hand grenade. Oh, fucker. Is there any way, like, upgrade our melee strength?
I have no clue.
Shit. Hang on, let me... Headshot.
Oh shit.
Headshot.
I think that's all of them for now.
Yeah. Alright, you get that one down there. I'll go get the one over here. Whee!
Oh shit!
Oh, Chainsaw Man!
Can you get him with your
Proximity
rifle?
bomb here, but I can't pick it up. What?
Can you get him with your rifle?
I have no visual.
He's right there behind you!
Oh shit! Ah!
Okay, I see him. He's down there.
Oh! Oh shit, no, move.
Quick, help me!
I'm coming. My pistol.
Oh shit, he's up here with me.
I'm not up there now.
I don't know where he went. Okay, I found
I
him.
don't see him.
He's over here by
Music's still
me.
going though. Huh?
He's over here by me.
I'm right with you.
There he
Hey,
is.
he's up here! There we
Is
go.
he dead?
Yep. Venom.
Okay,
thing.
good. For a second I thought we wouldn't have to. Oh wait, there's another one.
Oh. There's proximity bombs over here.
Maybe we should set those down.
Yeah. Let me turn this so. A big ass valve. I've never seen a valve this big.
Bring on full on inventory stuff.
Yeah. Can I open this? Fired shot from the other side, damn it.
Don't be moving too much, I'm head over to you. Alright, I guess what we do is we climb up there.
And then... Aha.
What did you figure out? Good.
The barrel though. Herb.
I want to heal up.
Yeah. Let me see what I have. Alright, stand next to me.
Already did. Thank
There
you.
we go.
Alright, the moment you do that, I bet you the chainsaw guy appears.
Let me unbar this first.
Yeah!
Yep, here we go.
He's over there by you. Look out.
Oh shit. Nope, no, oh god. No, I don't want to try that. Move!
Jesus is. Do you know where he's at right now?
He's down here with me. Why am I unable to do melee attacks on him?
I don't think that's a good idea.
No, like twist kick, somersault.
Ah,
punch.
I don't think he's stunned yet. Oh shit!
I've stunned him twice.
He's up here with me! No, now he's jumping down. Make up your... Oh god, dude, he's headed your way. He's headed your way. He's headed your way.
Ah!
Can't get a good visual on him. Make one move.
Oh, no, 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 oh, no. Ah!
Probably gonna regret this. I'm gonna go in for a shotgun shell.
There we go, got him.
You know, I'm beginning to think I need something better than a pistol and a shotgun.
Yeah.
Because I can't do
Pistol
long
is
range.
just- Yeah.
I can't do
Pistol,
long range.
You just get so much handgun ammo in this game that...
Yes, and you're better at the rifle than I am, probably.
There we go.
Also, I'm trying to stay with the shot away from... Oh, shit.
What?
The natives arrest us again.
I don't know. I'm coming, I'm coming, I'm coming. Oh, in front of us. Cut him up. Somersault.
Rifle ammo.
Take my rifle ammo.
Shotguns.
Is that shotgun shells?
Yeah. I need handgun ammo, though. 'Cause I do believe we're gonna run into more of those You wouldn't believe we probably run into more of them, likely.
Oh, God.
I just have this distinct feeling, unfortunately.
Yeah.
Because if they threw two of them at us, what are the odds they're gonna throw more?
Yeah.